and I didn't like it. So basically this is a custom 3D print enclosure with my logo as well on it, which make it even more personal. And those filters made from foam are from the SM7B actually. But again, you don't need to use the expensive ones. You can definitely find something online and you can buy them in different colors, have fun, play around and create, the style that you want. And this is what I like about doing this, that I actually prefer this because I can print those, remove the microphone, change it, have different colors or different design and have whatever I want to and make them more custom to what I'm doing.